Hi, this is Kaylin Catron. I wanted to quickly talk about a few things in Excel charts. So I was trying to do something that we don't commonly do. So when we have a report here, we go to Report Center, and really anything that you can do, any chart is fine. So if I were to do Company and Financial, I'm just going to go to Profit and Loss right now. Obviously there's nothing here, but if I wanted to export this to Excel, I would go Create New Worksheet, which we all know. Then I would go to Replace an Existing Worksheet. I could then obviously have the choices that we're used to. You browse and find what you're going to upload to, what Excel sheet, and then you pick your sheet. What I wanted to explain is that I noticed that my last few, since opening this new chapter, I noticed that the advanced tools are different with the new company, and often they would not do these three. So we were told to have these two checked and the row height checked, the first three in Excel options checked, and then the on printed reports and screen checked, and repeat row labels. I thought once I did it once it would continue to do that, but I have noticed that every once in a while it's different, so I have continued to check and make sure that the advanced tools it will not upload right are correct. So pretty interesting.